Tired of constantly having icy hands and feet, even when you're bundled up? It's a common complaint, and often it's a sign of poor circulation. Before you reach for another pair of socks, what if I told you that your kitchen might hold some powerful, natural solutions to warm you up from the inside out? Today, we're going to explore some simple, accessible, and delicious ways to get your blood flowing and say goodbye to those chilly fingers and toes for good. First up, let's talk about something with a little kick: cayenne pepper. This vibrant red spice is more than just a way to heat up your favorite dish. It contains a powerful compound called capsaicin. You know, that warming sensation you feel when you eat something spicy. That's capsaicin at work. It's a natural vasodilator, which means it helps to expand your blood vessels. When your vessels are wider, it's like upgrading from a narrow country lane to a multi-lane highway for your blood. This allows blood to flow more freely and efficiently all the way to your extremities, like your hands and feet. Sprinkling a little cayenne on your meals, adding it to a warm lemon water in the morning, or even finding it in supplement form can make a noticeable difference. It literally helps to turn up your internal thermostat. Next on our list is an ancient herb with a stellar reputation: ginkgo biloba. This one has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. Ginkgo is particularly famous for its ability to improve microcirculation. Think of the tiniest blood vessels in your body, the capillaries. These are the final frontier for blood delivery, reaching the smallest and most distant parts of you. Ginkgo helps enhance blood flow through these delicate pathways, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients get exactly where they need to go. This is crucial for warming up your fingers and toes. Now, a very important note on ginkgo, because it can affect blood clotting. If you are currently taking any blood-thinning medications, it is absolutely essential that you speak with your doctor before adding ginkgo to your routine. Safety always comes first, so a quick chat with a healthcare professional can ensure it's the right choice for you. Let's move from the spice rack and herb garden to the produce aisle. We're going to talk about the power of beets and dark leafy greens. It's because of nitric oxide. Beets are incredibly rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This molecule is a superstar when it comes to circulation. It acts as a powerful signal, telling the smooth muscles in your artery walls to relax. This relaxation causes the vessels to widen, a process called vasodilation, which dramatically improves blood flow and can even help lower blood pressure. So, roasting some beets, adding them to a salad, or blending them into a smoothie is a fantastic way to support your circulatory system. And don't forget your greens. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are also packed with nitrates. They work in the same way as beets, boosting your body's nitric oxide production. Making a big salad with a base of spinach, sautéing some kale with garlic, or adding a handful of greens to your soup are all easy and delicious ways to get these benefits. Plus, these greens are loaded with other vitamins and minerals that support overall health. So it's a win-win situation for your entire body. Think of it as a double-duty food, nourishing you while also warming you up. Now, beyond specific foods, there are two fundamental habits that are non-negotiable for healthy circulation: staying hydrated and moving your body. It might sound basic, but it's incredibly effective. Your blood is about 55% plasma, and plasma itself is about 92% water. When you're dehydrated, your blood volume can decrease, making it thicker and harder for your heart to pump. This means it has a tougher time reaching those far-off fingers and toes. Simply making sure you're re-drinking enough water throughout the day can significantly improve your blood's consistency and flow. Keep a water bottle with you and sip consistently. It's one of the easiest and most impactful changes you can make. And finally, let's get moving. A sedentary lifestyle is one of the biggest enemies of good circulation. When you sit for long periods, blood can pool in your legs, and your circulatory system becomes sluggish. You don't need to run a marathon to see benefits. Regular movement is key. This could be a brisk 30-minute walk each day, a fun dance class, or some simple yoga. Even if you have a desk job, you can incorporate movement snacks into your day. You can do seated leg lifts, ankle circles, or calf raises right at your desk. These small movements contract your muscles, which helps to squeeze the veins and push blood back up towards your heart, acting like a secondary pump for your circulatory system. The more you move, the more you encourage your blood to circulate efficiently. So, to recap, you have a whole toolkit of natural strategies at your disposal. Spice up your life with some cayenne pepper to stimulate blood flow. Consider the ancient wisdom of ginkgo biloba after checking with your doctor to boost microcirculation. Fill your plate with vibrant beets and dark leafy greens to increase nitric oxide and relax your blood vessels. And don't forget the foundational habits of staying well hydrated and moving your body regularly. By combining these simple, natural therapies from your own kitchen and daily routine, you can actively support your circulatory system and start to feel that wonderful, spreading warmth in your hands and feet. It's about empowering yourself with knowledge and making small, consistent changes that can lead to big results. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to give them a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, more vibrant life. Let me know in the comments which of these tips you're going to try first. Stay warm, and see you in the next video.